So, magpo-Porter's Diners tayo ngayon. Together with friends. Let's go! So ayun, tapos na tayong kumain. So magtatanong tayo sa kanila kung anong experience nila sa Porter's Diners.
Hi guys, vlog takeover. So how's the food from the scale of 1 to 10?
6 yung burger steak. Pero mas masarap yung steak doon sa cabin.
Ikaw te. From the scale of 1 to 10.
Eggs
How good is the food?
Benedict. I ordered eggs Benedict around 7 maybe.
7 for eggs Benedict. Not. It's good.
Ikaw.
Ako 7 din. Hindi naman ganun ka sarap. Oh yun.
So, okay, so saan naman tayo pupunta ngayon?
We're going on a trip. Saan tayo te?